Mark, coming to you from Baker's Green Acres. It's probably about 6 o'clock on a Wednesday night, and I'm just finishing up, getting ready to go in. And I came out here to look at these pigs, and I noticed something, and I thought, you know, a lot of people that do this might they might experience the same thing and wonder what is going on, all right? Well, all of a sudden, the pigs are digging at the root of the fence. Okay, if you look at all my fences here, they're snowed in. You know, my electric fencer is incapacitated because the snow is up over it. But outside the fence looks about the same as inside the fence, so they're not real interested in what's going on out there usually all winter long, so we don't have electric fence running, don't need it. But then when they start this digging, it kind of worries you because they can do a lot of damage to fences when they start digging them and they want to get their nose up underneath them. So I've learned over the years the thing to do is come in here, and that's my signal to give them hay. If we give them hay with their regular feed, they have a tendency sometimes to turn their nose up at it, and a lot of it just sits. They lay in it, whatever. But as you can see right now, that sow right there is going for it, and she's eating it. So I just bring a bale in like that, cut the strings, and I'll take some of it off, make a nice pile for them here. This one's nipping at my boots here. And they'll all eat what they need, and then they're pretty happy. I think it has something to do with them missing summer, just like I'm missing summer right about now. January, it's kind of no man's land out here. There's not much sign of life. I know it's there, but it's not showing itself to me now. February can be a tough month too, but we can see the end in sight. These days around here, I'm not doing much outside. I'm working on some projects in the house, construction projects and wiring and stuff like that. And we've had some people come and visit us this week, some of my kids. So we've just been playing out in the snow and having a good time. There's not a lot for me to do. I keep the cows fed and watered, and that's only every few days for water, and then only once a week for hay. And then look after the pigs. They need a little bit of feeding, but not much because there's just 5 or 6 sows out here and a couple boars. So there's not much here. My feeder pigs are over on the other one, and there's not many of them. So yeah, there's not a lot going on right now. It's kind of nice. It's nice to have a reprieve. Today I did start thinking about spraying a little bit and prioritizing some jobs. So I have some interesting insights from some things that I listened to today online, and I hope you will join us tonight for our Anyone Can Farm question and answer session. It's at Baker's Green Acres YouTube, and we go live at 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So I hope you'll join us. We're starting to get a pretty good crowd coming, and if you would share this around so we can bring even more people into the fold here. All right, Mark from Baker's Green Acres, Anyone Can Farm.